Today we're reviewing brand new rims for your Tesla that make it look amazing.
So when you buy a brand new Tesla with 18-inch arrows, this is what you get. And you can see it looks okay, but it can look better. So we're gonna just pop this off. Okay, there we go. And underneath we have this. Does it look better? Not yet. I have this product here from EVBASE. These are Arachnid Wheels, and they come all covered up, very clean. They look nice, and they should just snap back on. So let's give this a try. There you go. And the installation of this could not be any easier. It's a very easy product to install, and it looks really good. They're supposed to replicate the Model S, and I think that's it. So they sell tees as well, which I happen to have one, but you can actually add the tee to finish off the look. I don't know how theirs looks in comparison. This is just one I had from a previous purchase, but that's it. That's the overall look. So we went from this to that. Just to give you an idea, behind us over here, we have the 19-inch Sports, and I think this look here looks much better than my 19-inch Sports. So these are the ones that Tesla will sell you at 19-inch. This is your 18-inch Arrow. Here's our new upgraded version. Here's the ones that they come with. So it just kind of snaps in. Well, maybe not. There you go. There's theirs. And I guess you can add this if you want to make it have an extra ring. It has a little sticky tape on the back, so you can just tape it on. It becomes more flush with the rim, so you can see that view. Fortunately, I have the one with the T, so you can see it. If you guys are interested in this product, there will be a link in the description below, as well as a discount code. Just being honest, I think it looks fantastic. You're basically taking an 18-inch rim and you're making it look nicer than the 19-inch rim that Tesla sells you. And I think it looks really, really nice. It's a really solid product, and it just kind of snaps in, and that's pretty much all there is to it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are about this product. Drop a like on the video, and do subscribe for more Tesla content. Check out the discount code if you're ordering it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.